Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris. Right now outside of Honda Ridgeline. This is going to be the RTL-E trim. It's obsidian blue, as you guys can see here. We're going to take this out here for a test drive in a moment. I just want to kind of go over why the Honda Ridgeline is a great ride. All right, so the Honda Ridgeline's got a 3.5 V6 with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Is going to be in there. Now, great thing about the Ridgeline, a lot of people have mixed feelings about it because it's not a traditional truck, but it does perform as a half-ton truck out there for you guys. Okay, so why people are saying that? Because it's not built like your traditional truck, you know, built on frame. All right, it's a unibody vehicle right here with independent suspension, so it's a very smooth ride. It's going to outperform the smooth ride of any vehicle in its class while functioning as a truck too as well. So for those that want the capabilities of a truck while getting a smooth ride, boom, the Ridgeline. I encourage you guys to take it out there for a test drive before you accidentally mark it off your list and regret not driving it. All right, so now they come in different packages too as well. By packages, we also have it as trims. You're gonna have a Sports, your entry level, then you have the RTL, then RTL-E, then the Black Edition. Now pretty much the size of the vehicle is going to be the same no matter what trim you get. The back is going to be the same setup, so you get these nice seats that fold right in here. You guys want a little more detailed information between each trim, check out my walk around videos. You're going to go more in detail. I'm just going to jump back here. I'm sitting behind myself, actually probably a little more further behind. Stadium seats, I can look over the driver. I can be a backseat driver. That's kind of nice. Cup holders. Now let's jump in and take it quick down the road. So towing capacity with these, they're going to be 5,000 towing capacity that you can do. Now this one, once again, is the RTL-E package, so it's going to have some things that the RTL won't. Leather, if you guys want leather, you're looking at the RTL package at least from that point. Well, the sport package is going to have your cloth seats. All right, now Honda sensing comes standard for all these. Your lane keep assist, adaptive cruise, your forward collision, road departure, boom, standard. Now if you want the blind spot information system, that's going to be on that little side right up here, you have to get into the RTL package. All right, as you can see, I have navigation right there on the RTL-E. Now if you guys get into leather, you get cool things like the heated seats from there. All right, we got on the road. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto is standard. All this. Should have played with my mirrors before we got on the road. There we go. I will put down below in the description some other links for the walk around videos, and it's going to show you guys all the cool standard features and functions. Hits all the buttons on there for you guys. So as you guys are out there just kind of test driving vehicles, Ridgeline's on your list. Please compare this on a bumpy road with another vehicle in its class that you're driving to do yourself some justice. That's the biggest recommendation I can do, is you go out there and put in this to the test. Find some good roads, find some bad roads on there. All right, you have all of your safety features here on the right hand side. It's easy to get to. Got the volume knobs. All pretty easy. If I don't want my idle stop, I got the button right down here. I can turn that off. I can switch between my intelligent traction management button there between the different modes. So great thing about the RTL-E that I'm sitting in right now, you get the wireless phone charger. Okay, we're gonna have auto dimming side mirrors. And then also a big thing in the back, in the bed of the truck there, you're gonna have a little compartment for actually just an AC plug-in. So that's kind of nice. You also have an embed speaker system too as well, embed audio. So you get cool little stuff from that point. Let's take it on this little crazy zigzag road. All right, I'm gonna get to a stop here quick. I'm gonna step on it. Woo! So, there we go. Now, you guys have those questions, feel free to, drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best to answer those questions for you guys. I'm still kind of playing around how to do these test drive videos, what to share. Should I talk? Should I not? Do I talk too much? I have no clue. Drop them down below, in the comments and let me know. From that point, it's just, I have a lot of information already with my walk around videos, has tips and tricks, vehicle settings to help you guys set up your Ridgeline up more and great detail from there, okay? And here we are back at home base.